Hey everybody, welcome to She is a Cook with me, Tia Marie Arnold, and today we are going to make a delicious and delightful apple coleslaw, which goes great with fish and chips, right? So today we're gonna dig in, stay tuned. To make this apple coleslaw, which is so delightful. And in this family, we can just eat slaw, slaw, slaw. We love some good slaw. So it is very important that when I present this to the family, it has to be on point. Yes. So these are the ingredients we have. We have about 2 bags of slaw. You can do your own, shedding the cabbage and all that if you want to, but you don't need it for this recipe. I have 1 delicious apple, Honey Crisp, only Honey Crisp, okay? We have a cup of mayonnaise. We have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a half a cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of white sugar, okay? So with this, I'm going to be tasting and adding as I go because I want to make sure that it has the sweetness that I want it to have and just has the flavor that I want it to have. Okay, so we are going to start with the dressing. I don't even know where to begin. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and add our 1 cup of mayonnaise. We'll add everything, and if I need, I'm gonna be very careful on my lemon juice. I'm gonna add just a little bit of that. A little bit of my vinegar here. A little bit of that. I threw in my buttermilk last minute because I want it to be creamy. I know I want it to be sweet. Alright, I'm going to switch out and do my whisk here. Alright, so taste as we go. Way too mayonnaise-y, so we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of that lemon. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of that vinegar. Definitely not sweet enough. Let's see where we're at now. We're getting there. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt now. I am gonna add a little bit more buttermilk. A little bit more sugar. I'm almost down to the end of my sugar. I don't want to, I'm kind of watching the sugar because I'm also adding the apples. Ooh, that's good. I'm like, give it more salt. Oh yeah, that's good. Now, I'm looking at the slaw And I'm wondering if I have enough. We'll see. All right, so I didn't use all of my buttermilk. I didn't feel like I need to, but once we add the dressing with the slaw and we add the apples, then we can kind of go from there. Okay, so I needed a bigger bowl, so I had to grab one. We're gonna dump the slaw in here. Okay. Now we're going to add the delicious apples. Just pour it all in there. And like I said before, this I have it seasoned and mixed to the way that I like my slaw to be. So I did not use all of the buttermilk, I did not use all of the sugar, and I did not use all of the salt. All right, so let's mix the apples in so they're not clumped in one section. And we're gonna go ahead and pour in the dressing. And I really don't know if I have enough dressing. I hope so, because this batch of dressing is so good. All right. You don't want it drowned. I don't like my slaw drowning in dressing. So we're just gonna mix well and then see if we need to make another batch. Covering it very well. That's a good sign. Now with the apples, we chopped the apples and then I added a little bit of lemon juice to keep them from browning. And after you mix this well, you're going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And like I've said on some of my other videos, I love food that's like, they call it leftovers overnight, because it allows the seasoning and the taste to get in food. So you definitely want this to sit. You don't want to eat it right away. Okay, I think, of course I have to taste and see, but I think we might be all right. Now, did I get any apples? See, I gotta get some apple here. All right. Here we go, folks. No, my dog. Y'all wanna know how this tastes? We ain't even sat an hour yet. Oh, we about to go to town. Ooh, yes. I did that dressing. I did it. I want some more in here, shoot. Ooh. Oh, wow. It's so fresh. The apples add the sweetness. You taste the lemon. The vinegar is not overpowering at all. Oh, it's so good. I will say, it's not drowning in dressing. So if you like it drowning in dressing, then you just double the ingredients. But oh my gosh. I could put my face in this. It's so good. Okay, well, as y'all know, I get really excited about food that tastes good. This right here tastes good, okay? Yeah, yes. So I hope you do it right so that you can experience what I'm experiencing right now, because it is so good. And once it gets chilled, oh, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, well, if you like videos like these, I gotta get professional now. If you like videos like these, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell as well so that you can get more notifications when I make videos like this one. Videos that will bless your whole soul and your whole family. Thank you so much for watching. As you see, I am super duper excited about eating this coleslaw in an hour with my air fried catfish If you have not seen that video, make sure you check that one out. And we're gonna do air fried sweet potato fries. So have a blessed day.